Angular keeps getting better with each update, and the latest version is no different. It brings exciting new and improved features to make development easier, faster, and more efficient for everyone. So whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting out, these updates promise to make your Angular journey more efficient and enjoyable. In this lecture, we will briefly discuss all these features with examples, tips, and insights. And don't worry if you are new to Angular or unfamiliar with its concepts and syntax. I will be covering these features in detail throughout the course, ensuring you have a strong foundation to build on. So let's begin. The first is the standalone components. Standalone components have become the default from version 18 of Angular, replacing the traditional ng module. This simplifies the component structure and improves modularity. By default, every component in Angular is a standalone component. If we do not want a component to be a standalone, we specify a flag named standalone and set it to false. Next is the improved dependency injection. In the newer version, Angular makes use of the inject function, which allows dependency injection without using constructors, making services and dependencies more flexible with the standalone components. Earlier, we used to inject the dependencies using the constructor like this, but now we can directly use the inject function to inject any dependency. Not only that, the dependency injection is more type refined, meaning the compiler will infer the dependency as the type, streamlining code and minimizing repetitive type declarations. This reduces the boilerplate and improves type safety in the code. Next is the signal-based reactivity model. Angular has improved and enhanced its signal system for reactive programming. It is now production ready, providing a streamlined approach to state management, which basically involves the change detection of the states. Now we can easily manage state changes with reactive programming, using signals to make it simpler and less complicated. We will discuss more about this topic in a dedicated section, so stay tuned. Next, the optimized preloading strategies. Performance optimization is a critical aspect of creating a successful Angular app. Slow loading times can lead to a frustrating user experience and ultimately drive users away. Angular 19 improves preloading with better strategies like enhanced preload all modules and custom preloading strategies. Next is the improved token injection. Angular 19 introduces improvements for token injection with better support for tokens like useValue and useFactory. And there are many such updates related to server-side rendering and client-side hydration, overall performance improvements, modern CSS integration, etc. This is just a detailed overview of the exciting concepts and techniques which we will be discussing in detail throughout this course.